Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got your sneak peek video for the fire sale for September 18th, 2020. So here we go. We're going to get right into it. So number one is a bottle of Molten Brown perfume. It is only $5 is all we're asking for that. So that's a really good deal. Then we have Icy Hot 2-packs. You get both of those boxes. They're the roll-on Icy Hot with the lidocaine. $10. We have 6 available on the fire sale. And we also have a bunch more if you want more. Number 3 is black nail polish. $5. We've got 5 available. You get the entire bag of all that nail polish. Number 4 is hand sanitizer, boxes of 4. You get all 4 of these Purell hand sanitizers. So you're going to get 4 of these little bottles for $20. And we have 13 available. Thank you, Paul. He remembered. I'm trying to count. All right, then we have number 5 is the 33.8 ounce Purell sanitizer. We're selling them 1 bottle at a time, $15, and we have 10 available. Number 6 is a blue handmade tapestry for $5. It looks really, really gorgeous. Kind of a peacock pattern. Then number 7 is a tie-dye laundry bag, $5 only. Then number 8 is a Vince Camuto extra large white cardigan, $25. Number 9 is a DKNY medium top that is purple with various other colors, $15. Number 10 is per bottle of Listerine, $5. Per bottle, 6 available. Number 11, these are awesome domino boards made again by Paul's dad. You get a set of 4. They're actually cedar domino boards, so they're not quite as heavy as the other ones, but they smell amazing. So we have 5 sets. They're going to be $25 a piece, so a little bit less than the other ones, but they smell amazing. Number 12 is the American flag wall art that has a Bible verse on it, $20. Number 13 is an International Concepts INC medium yellow top for $15. Number 14 is an International Concepts size large purple top for $15. Number 15 is a Christmas candle lot, so it comes with candles and all of the fun berries and beads and all that, $20. Number 16, you have seen before, it's the baby Brezza. We thought we would just, you know what, let's just shoot for a huge discount, $50 for the baby Keurig, the baby Brezza. I like to call it a baby Keurig. All right, number 17 is a Karen Scott extra large pumpkin shirt with some blinged out pumpkins. Perfect time of the year for that, $15. It's an extra large again. Number 18 is a Styling Company red and blue sweater, size 1X for $20. Number 19, if you watched our live stream from today, it's an awesome, gorgeous nativity with the Holy Family. So it's Mary, Joseph, and the baby. $20. So
his name is Jesus.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, Jesus. Sorry. All right, number 20 is a Vince Camuto medium black floral top, $15. Number 21 is a JM Collection extra large gray sweater for $25. Number 22 is a Noble Gems flamingo ornament. I'll pull it out. It's really gorgeous. If you saw the live stream when I unboxed it, you'll be able to remember what it was. $5 only. Number 23 is an awesome gray travel pouch. There. Noble. Number 24 is a Mark 1027 purse for $35. Did we not do the red travel suitcase? Okay.
That's for next week.
Oh, that's next week. Okay, so you're getting a glimpse.
They
haven't seen this yet. Sorry. Number 25 for $10 is a flamingo tapestry. $10. We actually have 3 separate ones. It's really, really cute. Number 26 is an Alfani 1X black top for $25. We have actually 2 of them at that 1X size. Number 27 is a green jacket, extra large. I believe it is a men's V-neck jacket for $15. Number 28 is a Karen Scott 2X red sweater for $15. Number 29 is a Charter extra large sweater for $20. Number 30 is this set of 2. You get both of the fleece pillowcase sets. For $20. Number 31, only for $5, you get this wedding dress CD case. It's a really cool, looks like a photo album, but it actually holds your wedding CD. Number 32 is a really cute husky dog sign, only for $5. A house is not a home without a husky. Isn't that cute? So you get that for $5. Then for number 33, we have these cedar aroma bags. Each pack has 4 of these hanging cedar aroma bags. $5 is all I'm asking, and you get 4 of them inside the pack, and there are 5 available. Number 34 is a Styling Company blue 3X top for $20. Number 35 is a Levi's black pair of jeans, size 16 for $15. Number 36 is a JM Collection black extra large pair of pants for $15. Number 37 is a votive candle lot. It's candles that come with the glass votive things that go inside of it. It's awesome set. $10 for that. Number 38 is a craft lot with all of these flowers and ribbons and craft tubes. Really great lot. $20 for that. Number 39 is this amazing Christmas cheese shop, and it is a Dickens Village series. We're selling that for $30. It's in perfect condition. Number 40 is a white, it's the white one. I looked inside. It's the white cosmetic organizer for $10. Number 41 is this amazing Sherpa throw blanket for $15. Number 42 is a Charter Club XXL red and black top for $25. Actually, it's a sweater for $25. Number 43 is a Karen Scott 2X red sweater for $20. Number 44 is a Karen Scott extra large gray sweater for $20. Number 45 is an International Concept petite extra large black top, has some cool bell sleeves on it for $10. Number 46 is a legitimate white sheepskin. It's actually sheepskin, $50. I think online they're around $100. Number 47 is a conceal carry brown purse with a cool gold lock on it for $40. Number 48 is the feather knife. You have seen it on our store before, and it's still available on our store. $15. We have 4 of them available. Then, of course, we have the decorative mace. It's Paul calls it a marital tool, to solve arguments. No, don't hit your spouse with a mace. Battle mace, decorative battle mace, $20, 3 of them available. Number 50 is this awesome silver and pewter colored purse. It's really, really cute. $40. We have 2 available. Number 51 is a Nicole Miller nail polish set, only $5, and I've got 9 available. So if you're looking for cute nail polish, we got it on this sale. Number 52 is a white pine all-purpose window cleaner, only for $5, and we have 5 available. Number 53 is BioFreeze for $10. We have 2 available. 2 tubes a piece, so 2 for $10, and then we also have 2 sets of them. 54 is a Styling Company green extra large hooded sweatshirt for $15. Number 55 is an awesome teal purse with these cool silver buttons on the edges for $40. Number 56 is a cool kids nail art set for $5, and we have 7 available. Number 57 is a Desert Essence blemish stick to hide all that acne for $5. Number 58, and I know I'm going to butcher this name, Givenchy perfume set, $40, and we have, 8 available. Number 59 is not alcohol. It is men's cologne called Tequila Gold, $45. We have 4 available. Number 60 is a Queen lamp for $20. Number 61 is a leaf pillow set, comes with the covers and the pillows for $25. Number 62 is a USA flag purse that kind of looks distressed. Number 63 is a brown crossbody bag with a gold tree on it, $20. Number 64 is a dark brown purse with a lock on it for $40, just like the other one, but a darker brown. Number 65 is a conceal carry American flag crossbody purse that can also be shortened to a shoulder strap, $35. Number 66 is a black handbag, silver with buttons. It is a conceal carry, $40. Number 67 is a flower wall decor. They're metal wall hangings for... Sure, I can pull one out there. They're all different colors.
They look awesome.
Yeah, they are really cool. So here's one of them.
Boom, that's the red one.
This is the red one.
Look at that.
Yeah, so they've got all different colors of these metal flower wall art. See if I can get it back in there.
That is amazing. She can always do it.
Yeah.
Watch the struggle.
Watch. The struggle is real, folks. Okay, I can't get this thing back in it. Why'd you make me pull this thing out? All right, we got to show the folks, I guess. There we go. All right, so we've got the wall decor. What?
67.
67, thank you. Number 68 is the black 14-inch medieval dagger. Looks like that. It's awesome. $15. We have 4 available. Then I found this awesome purse. Look at this. It's a black ruffle purse. I've got 2 of them available for $40. Isn't that cool? Looks kind of like a ruffled cascading down. Number 70 is a blue and silver long purse or tote bag for $40. Number 71 is a bathroom sink, not the kitchen sink, a bathroom sink. I do know this is brand new, never been used. Got it from somebody who said, hey, was going to put this in my bathroom, decided against it. Why don't you sell it? So we have this bathroom sink, $50. They actually paid $80, so it's a steep discount. Number 72 is a purple luxury sheet, queen fitted sheet for $5. Number 73 is a black and silver blinged out purse for $40. We have 2 available. Then number 74, we have a black and tan purse with a Bible verse on it. For $40, 2 of them available. And then the Bible purse is $35. I think I said $40, $35. Number 75, all 3 of these boxes actually have 144 depend pad inserts, or you can use them like bed pads. So there are 144 in each box, and each box we're selling for $50. So we have some awesome stuff on the sale. I'm super excited about all the new stuff we've been getting from 888 Lots and various other places. So hopefully this is a fun fire sale for you. Remember, Friday noon Central Standard Time. I think that's what we're going to stick to, just so we have a little bit better internet, and you guys seem to like that time. So Friday noon fire sale. See you all there, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.